So, I talked about DeepSeek in my previous video and mentioned that, just like Huawei, USA is now trying to ban DeepSeek too, probably sooner than we can even imagine. But here's one thing that I didn't know before is how Huawei plays this significant role behind manufacturing DeepSeek. So let me explain how. So the DeepSeek AI model was trained on Nvidia's H100 chipset, but it uses an Huawei Ascend 910C chip for the inference, which is the action of using the trained model to generate responses. In simple words though, the Huawei's Ascend 910C chipset is really the heart of DeepSeek AI model. Well, this information originally comes from Dory Alexander, who points out that Huawei's Ascend chips are not dealing with the training purposes, so the GPU power requirements are not that high. But the main thing is that DeepSeek model is cost effective just because of Huawei itself. DeepSeek, which has gained a lot of popularity in the market for its cost-effective and advanced tech properties, uses Huawei's Ascend 910C AI chip for the inference. Well, Ascend 910C is slightly inferior to the Nvidia's H100 in performing basic learning tasks. However, it can offer lower energy cost and higher operational efficiency than H100. DeepSeek used Nvidia's H100 chips for only training, but its inferences is powered by the Ascend 910C processes. Something more catchy is that, despite using a low powerful AI processor, the China-made AI model is surpassing US opponents like OpenAI Chapgpt, Google's Gemini, and a lot of other top LLMs. But the thing is, DeepSeek's shift towards Huawei over Nvidia shows that China is choosing more domestic products than foreign ones. Although the country isn't ready to eliminate Western chipsets completely, yet Huawei's progress in the chip field shows that it is all set to challenge Nvidia's foothold in the Chinese AI model. But here's the best part, which is yet to come. DeepSeek was trained using Nvidia's chipset, and in simple words though, the reason behind is that Huawei didn't have an advanced enough chipset at the time. But now, Huawei is developing the Ascend 920C chipset, and according to some reports, it's already completed. Not only that, Huawei is also eliminating all the limitations that forced them to rely on Nvidia's chipset in the first place. And here's the big deal. The chipset is expected to be so advanced that it will directly compete with the Nvidia's B200 chipset, which is the Nvidia's top AI operational chipset. Now, just think about it. If this happens, imagine the level of success Huawei will get after making this advanced AI chipset. I said in my last video that China is working on replacing everything that keeps them dependent on the US, and here's yet an example. So what do you guys think about it? Then let me know your thoughts on it in the comments section below, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.